Well, I didn't charge this camera either, apparently. That sucks. Dang it. We need air, so we're going in the back of a truck. Oh my god, this is a lot scarier than I thought it was going to be. Just don't touch the ground with your feet and you'll be fine. Hey, look, it's our competition. He's going a lot faster than I thought he was going to. Oh, bye, camp! There's our Southern Roots people that we're going to have to be booking with today. They got some stuff lined up like GNCC style racing. That's going to be cool. There's a lot of bumps on this time again. Whee! Got the big green machine out here today. Ah! Why'd you stop? Yeah. Bro, I feel like a vlogger right now. What's up, guys, and welcome back to our vlog. Today we're gonna be doing awesome stuff. Like, you know? Back in the back of a Chevy something, and we're going to the races today, baby. Let's do it. We're about to hit the speed bump. No, don't speed up for the speed bump, you dillweed. He's stopping a lot faster than my body equilibrium can keep up with. Oh. The worker's like, what the frick are you doing? No. They added a valet wash station. I don't know what's so valet about it, but yeah. No parking on the fence. Nice. Morning. You sped up right there before the speed bump, and like as soon as you did that, I got pinned backwards trying to catch myself, and I was like, "You're not supposed to speed up for the speed bump." Off the dirt. I didn't have my foot on the gas. Alright, we got the tire full, and now we're getting ready to head back to check and see what else is wrong with my Raptor. We basically put it together yesterday. It was spin apart in the garage for a while. And then we also have to check everything once over one more time because we're racing today. And if we don't, we'll be up a creek without a paddle. So, with that in mind, we are going to take a look over everything, give it a once through, and get it ready to race today. It is supposed to rain around 9 o'clock today, as you can see by the overcast in the back of the camera. And, I mean, obviously, we rode in the rain last time, but this is like thunder and lightning and all that stuff like that. So we're going to have to see if we're going to be racing in the rain or if it's going to be... if it's not in the rain, it's going to be very interesting. So, we will have to keep you guys posted about that, because pretty much, if that's the case, then we're just going to take it easy and just get through it, because we won't be able to see. Not if it's raining that bad. But yeah, we'll play that by ear and keep you guys posted about that. We're back on the channel on a sick downcline. Look at the sick downcline, bro. We're going downhill. Whoa! Whoa! We're going downhill, bro. Hold on. Yeah. We're at the strip.
Cruising the strip right now.
Yeah.
Let's lay back squat.
This is the fat man squat, never seen before. It's a fat man squat because a fat man made it squat. We like vloggers, by the way. This isn't a roast of the vloggers. That ground is really close. Twerk. What's up? Trash. Ooh. That's a 450. Looks like it at least. This phone records in surprisingly good quality. That's very nice. I like how the micro foolers collectively sound better than ours.
Higher revving.
Yep. Oh,
Higher revving, shorter gears.
did you hear the thunder roll?
Yeah. Did.
We're gonna get struck by lightning while trying to race. Woo!
You guys would like some merch, go to wheelerbrosbusiness.com.
We don't have that yet.
They got a t-shirt. I don't know if this track's any smaller than what we're running.
I think it is.
I don't hope so, but 9.6.
They're fast. 9.6 for his entire lap time.
And he stopped over here to get air.
To get air?
Right here at the base of the hill.
Yeah, his tires slashed.
He cut a tire mid easily.
Yeah, that's what that guy was telling you earlier.
Dude!
From where he started to where he come by me again at the pit.
Including the stop.
Including the stop.
Oh my lord.
So he's cooking. if he's not running, if they don't run the entire track.
The boy's cruising! Ready for the race?
Yep. Ready to get wet.
Soup. Oh!
How's better?
I just saw it reflect off the door. It probably didn't see it because it looks like that's extremely bright on camera, but dang.
Wonderful.
I would say our race is going to be postponed till 1. Very nice.
Heck yeah.
Alright, you know that new section where you went through and put all the rims on? And across the road and now there's that
Are you ready to get
buzz hole
your
right
dad now?
When you take that right hand turn.
That's mud.
I felt like I was being thrown around more than I was riding. Oh, I also got stuck.
You did?
Yeah, you know, whenever you get that restart, you go through the woods and over.
Yeah.
I got stuck in a rut and thrown off the bike at the very beginning of that. Then when I got back on it, I tried to climb up that hill, and I got stuck. So they ended up coming out. The guy that got you out, he helped me move it, and then after that, I just
That's
went
good.
back up the hill.
That's cool. I was talking to Ryan. He said this is pretty much the track to train for snowshoe. This was, I would say this is worse. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the first lap I was like, all right. Oh yeah.
We like that.
City boy!
I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.